Accounting consolidation versus multi-entity finance platforms. Which one is better for group accounting? Most finance teams get caught up in spreadsheets, but the surprising truth is that consolidation tools alone can't solve complex group accounting challenges. Choosing between traditional accounting consolidation and multi-entity finance platforms can affect accuracy, efficiency, and compliance for organizations with multiple subsidiaries. Accounting consolidation focuses on aggregating financial data from various entities into a single set of statements. It automates elimination entries, intercompany balances, and reporting. For example, a holding company with 10 subsidiaries can quickly generate group income statements and balance sheets, saving days of manual work and reducing errors. Consolidation is critical for regulatory reporting and investor transparency. Multi-entity finance platforms go beyond consolidation. They manage accounting, compliance, intercompany transactions, and local reporting for each entity in real time. A global enterprise can handle multiple currencies, tax jurisdictions, and regulatory frameworks while maintaining a single source of truth. This enables faster closes, real-time insights, and improved decision-making. The key difference is scope versus control. Consolidation tools aggregate results efficiently, while multi-entity platforms manage the complexities of running multiple finance operations seamlessly. Many organizations get this wrong by using simple consolidation alone, which can lead to inaccurate reporting or compliance gaps in complex structures. In conclusion, the most effective approach depends on complexity. For small groups, accounting consolidation may suffice. For global enterprises or organizations with multiple subsidiaries, multi-entity finance platforms deliver end-to-end management, streamline processes, and ensure compliance. Ultimately, the right choice ensures accurate reporting, operational efficiency, and a clear financial view across the entire organization.